Okay, let's go over the things you're going to need to complete this course. So the first thing you're going to need to complete this course is you're going to need Photoshop. Photoshop is the main tool that we'll be using throughout this entire course to create our artwork and our characters. I'm here at the Adobe's download page. Here at this page, you can download a 30-day free trial of Photoshop for free. So all you have to do is click on the Photoshop icon, and that will take you to a new page where you'll fill out some information, and from there it's pretty self-explanatory. Now, I'll leave a link for this page, and I'll leave a link for all the pages that I go over in this course. Now, if you're going to do commercial work and get paid for it, or if you plan on doing this for the long run, you're going to need to buy Photoshop. Now, the way Photoshop works is it's on a month-to-month subscription base. Now, you can find some older versions of Photoshop that you can download onto your computer and keep it there forever. But the nice thing about doing a subscription-based version of Photoshop is you constantly get the latest version of Photoshop. So anytime they come out with an update, you'll get that update because you're monthly paying for it. And it's also kind of like an installment payment where instead of paying $1,000 for Photoshop, you're only paying $20 a month. Now, that will be more expensive in the long run, but that's just the way Adobe has decided to take things. And so it's the way that you have to pay. You'll pay for it here at this page, and it's going to be this single app package right here. And you'll select Photoshop, and you'll go ahead and buy now. Now, the third thing you're going to need to complete this course, which isn't essential, but it's very recommended that you use this, is a drawing tablet. This is the device that you can hook into your computer and draw with. Now, I recommend this because we're going to be doing some drawing in this course, and it can be very difficult to do with a mouse. We're also going to be doing some detail work and some shading, which can be difficult to do with a mouse, though it is very possible, and I've had many students create artwork with their mouses, and even I have used my mouse in the past to create artwork when I first got started. Another thing you can do is when we're designing our characters and sketching them out, rather than doing that on the computer, you can do that with a pen and a paper or a pencil and paper, and then you can take a picture of that or scan it in and use that as a base for your character. Now, it's said that Wacom makes the best tablets. I don't really know because I've never used any other types of tablets besides Wacom tablets. But from my experience, they work very well and they're very high quality, and you can produce very good artwork with them. Here on Amazon, I did a quick search for Wacom tablets, and you can see they have all different types. They can be pretty pricey, and they can also be pretty cheap. Now, the type of Wacom tablet that I'm using is called the Bamboo Wacom tablet. It's right here. I'll also leave a link for this guy. Now, this is one of their lower end tablets. I think it's just above their lowest grade tablet. And it works completely fine for me. I know that other higher priced tablets can do a lot more, and they are a lot more sensitive to pressure, but this tablet does the job just fine for me. I've never had any problems with it, and I'm still able to create really great artwork. It's very inexpensive. As you can see here, it's not being sold by Amazon, but you can buy some used ones for about $100. I bought mine used for less than $100. So this is a tablet that I very much recommend to people just getting started with digital artwork. Now, the last thing you're going to need to complete this course is Unity 3D. Now, many of you probably know what Unity is. If you don't, what it is it's a game developer software. So with this software, you can create games of all sorts, from 3D to 2D to platform to pixel art. Any type of game you can think of, you can create it with Unity. And the nice thing about it is it's open source and it's free for personal use. All you have to do is come to this page, which I'll also leave a link to, and you'll just hit download now. This is going to bring you to this page, and you're just going to hit download installer. and then there it goes. It's going to start downloading onto your computer. After that, all you have to do is just run it like a normal program and install. Now, the reason for downloading Unity is not because we're going to be building a game, but because I want to demonstrate to you how you animate your character once you've created each individual frame and put it onto a sprite sheet. So once you've got all these things and you're ready to start the course, let's go ahead and move on to the next parts of our course. I hope this lecture was helpful for you and you're really excited to get started with this. I know I am. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lecture.